we have Melia Serengeti Lodge member of Melia Collection. Melia Serengeti Lodge is a gem tucked away in the stunning hills of Nyamuma, offering breathtaking views of the Mbalageti River Valley and the iconic Serengeti National Park. With its year-round infinity pool, guests can soak in the sun while enjoying the spectacular scenery. The lodge boasts elegant rooms and suites that come with all the modern comforts, including free Wi-Fi, private terraces, and well-stocked minibars. Plus, the on-site restaurants serve up a delicious mix of traditional recipes and international cuisine, making every meal a treat for the taste buds. What really sets Melia Serengeti Lodge apart is its blend of luxury and convenience. With a 24-hour reception, fitness center, and spa, guests can unwind and recharge anytime they want. It's not just a place to stay, it's an experience that combines relaxation with adventure. Whether it's lounging by the pool, indulging in a spa treatment, or enjoying a meal with a view, this lodge offers a unique escape that's hard to beat. Plus, being just 36 kilometers from Serengeti Airport makes it super easy to get there. For anyone looking to explore the wonders of the Serengeti while enjoying top-notch amenities, Melia Serengeti Lodge is the perfect choice. At number 4, we have One Nature Nyaraswiga Serengeti. One Nature Nyaraswiga Serengeti is an absolute gem for anyone looking to experience the breathtaking beauty of the Serengeti. Nestled right in the heart of the national park, this luxurious camp offers stunning views of the endless plains, making it a perfect spot for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The elegant tents come with all the comforts one could wish for, including a cozy sitting area with a fireplace, a bathtub, and both indoor and outdoor showers. Plus, the heated infinity pool with a jacuzzi is a fantastic place to unwind after a day of exploring the rich wildlife and witnessing the incredible Great Migration. What really sets One Nature Nyaraswiga apart is the unique blend of luxury and adventure. Guests can enjoy delicious meals in a stylish dining area or relax with a drink at the inviting candlelit bar. For those looking to stay active, there's badminton and ping pong available on site, and massages can be arranged for those in need of some pampering. With the Serengeti's vibrant wildlife just outside the door, this camp offers an unforgettable experience that combines relaxation with the thrill of the wild. It's a perfect escape for anyone wanting to immerse themselves in nature without sacrificing comfort. At number 3, we have Mbalageti Serengeti. Mbalageti Serengeti is a fantastic spot for anyone looking to experience the beauty of the Serengeti National Park. With its outdoor pool and free Wi-Fi, it's perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. The lodge offers cozy accommodations equipped with everything from fans to sofas, ensuring a comfortable stay. Plus, some rooms even come with minibars and sofas for that extra touch of luxury. Guests can indulge in a daily continental breakfast and enjoy delicious meals at the on-site restaurant, which serves both African and international cuisine. What really sets Mbalageti apart is the welcoming atmosphere and the range of amenities available. There's a common lounge for guests to unwind, luggage storage for convenience, and free parking for those traveling by car. For those looking to explore the area, the hotel offers car rental services and business facilities, making it a great choice for both leisure and work. With its blend of comfort, great food, and stunning surroundings, Mbalageti Serengeti is a must-visit for anyone wanting to soak in the magic of the Serengeti. At number 2, we have Serengeti Migration Camp. Serengeti Migration Camp is an absolute gem for anyone looking to experience the breathtaking beauty of the Serengeti. Nestled just a stone's throw away from the Serengeti National Park, this tented camp offers a unique blend of comfort and adventure. With a refreshing outdoor pool, a lovely garden, and a spacious terrace, guests can unwind and soak in the stunning surroundings after a day of exploring. Plus, the on-site bar is perfect for enjoying a cold drink while watching the sun set over the savannah. What sets Serengeti Migration Camp apart from other accommodations is its perfect balance of luxury and nature. The camp provides free private parking, making it super convenient for those driving in. Being just 15 kilometers from the Serenera airstrip means that getting there is a breeze. Whether you're on a romantic getaway or a family adventure, this place offers an unforgettable experience with its warm hospitality and stunning wildlife views right at your doorstep. It's a must-visit for anyone wanting to immerse themselves in the magic of the Serengeti. At number 1, we have Lobo Wildlife Lodge. Lobo Wildlife Lodge is a fantastic spot for anyone looking to experience the beauty of the Serengeti without sacrificing comfort. With an inviting outdoor pool and a fitness center, guests can unwind or stay active while soaking in the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The lodge also offers free private parking, making it super convenient for those traveling by car. Plus, the provision of towels ensures that guests can enjoy their time by the pool or after a workout without any hassle. What really sets Lobo Wildlife Lodge apart is its diverse restaurant menu, which caters to various tastes and preferences. Whether craving local cuisine or something more familiar, there's something for everyone. The combination of a relaxing atmosphere, great amenities, and delicious food makes this lodge a standout choice in the Serengeti. For travelers wanting a blend of adventure and relaxation, Lobo Wildlife Lodge is definitely worth considering. Deciding whether to visit this city is a personal choice, but there are a few factors to consider that might help you make up your mind. This city offers a unique blend of culture, history, and modern attractions that appeal to a wide range of travelers. Whether you're interested in exploring historical landmarks, indulging in local cuisine, or simply soaking in the atmosphere of a new place, this city has something to offer. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, the city's top-tier hotels provide luxurious accommodations, exceptional service, and breathtaking views. But beyond the hotels, it's the city's charm that really leaves a lasting impression. From its vibrant neighborhoods to its scenic parks, this city is more than just a destination, it's an experience. Before you book your trip, consider what kind of traveler you are. If you're someone who enjoys discovering new cultures, meeting friendly locals, and uncovering hidden gems, then this city should definitely be on your list. On the other hand, if you prefer more tranquil, off-the-beaten-path destinations, it might be worth exploring some alternatives. In the end, whether or not you should visit this city depends on your personal travel goals. If you're looking for a dynamic, exciting city with plenty to see and do, then this city might just be the perfect destination for your next adventure. So, there you have it. I really hope this video helped you choose a hotel you can stay in. For the best prices for these hotels, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Also, if you have any questions or recommendations, make sure to leave a comment. I read them all. Thank you, and see you on the next video.